I am Carolina Castro, an enthusiastic licensed professional teacher, 24 years old from the Philippines. I graduated at San Carlos College with a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, and holding a 120-hour TOEFL certificate. I had my teaching experience for both online and face to face class during our teaching internship. I also became a private tutor of children ages 4 to 8, and I graduated with the flying colors and a recipient for best in demonstration teaching in English. I am extremely dedicated and passionate about teaching, molding students to be globally competitive individuals. My classroom environment is all inclusive so that everyone will learn from each other's uniqueness. I am very creative in teaching so that all my lessons are interesting, interactive, and informative. So it will be an honor to be considered for this position in your school program. Thank you so much.